Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Let's make a bacon cheeseburger. It's Memorial Day weekend, so let's get into it. So I'm also going to be making these red, white, and blue fruit kebabs. So we're going to start off with that first. So I'm going to rinse up my fruit. I got blueberries, I got strawberries, and my bananas are chilling on the counter. It's just, something festive and cute, but still a little healthy. Since I am making these burgers, I don't want to make like a bunch of unhealthy food. Well, a lot of carbs. Not unhealthy, but it's like a lot of carbs. So I'm going to cut my fruit just like this. Some people like it whole, but I feel like for this application that you should cut down the strawberries just a little bit, especially if you have super large strawberries. So I'm going to cut them down in half, and then we're going to assemble them. Oh my God, you guys. First of all, this was delicious, and they're super cute. The dressing is also good as well, which is just lime juice and honey. That's it. Now, the lime is going to add acidity, a lot of flavor, and it's also going to prevent your banana from oxidizing. It is now 8 p.m. my time, and I made these around 12:30, and they're still not oxidized right now in my refrigerator, and they're uncovered as well. So they hold up pretty long. I don't suggest making this like the night before. I suggest making it maybe in the morning before your event or whatever you have going on with your family this weekend, and you'll still be good to go for at least 10 to 12 hours. So I'm going to cut up my banana just like this. Alright, so I'm going to drizzle on some of the honey and lime dressing over the banana. The reason why I'm not putting this entirely like doused in the strawberries, because the strawberries will actually start to seep, and you don't want that. So at the end, I'm just going to drizzle it on top instead of letting it soak like the banana did. So I'm just adding a strawberry, banana, and my blueberries on top. I got these kebab sticks from Amazon, so if you want to get them, that's where I got these. But I'm pretty sure you can find this in a dollar store or the supermarket. And I'm just drizzling it over the top, and that's it. I popped it in a refrigerator, and it was good to go. This is so delicious, and I'm definitely going to make this again, because that honey lime dressing, it's just honey and lime. It's like, why is this so good? Anyway, let's move on to the burger. So to season my burger, I'm going to grate 5 garlic cloves and 1/4 of an onion right down in here just like this. Don't be afraid, your eyes are not going to burn. Just grate the onion and the garlic, and you'll be good to go. Now, you can season this however you want to. I'm just using a random McCormick seasoning and some salt. It's more than enough garlic and onion all up in there, so you don't have to do the most. And my burger buns are actually small. They're mini, so that's why I'll be making small patties. But just make sure you form your patties to the size of your bun, and you're good to go. I'm not doing anything magical here. I just make a ball, I flatten it, and then that's it. Okay. But yeah, the burgers were really, really good too, you guys. And the garlic and the onion shine all the way throughout the burger patty. So it's a little secret. So make sure you guys do that. So I'm going to start cooking my bacon right on the flat top, on a cast iron top, just like this. And if you have a skillet, you can do it in the oven. You can do it in the air fryer. But, I don't have an outside grill right now. So this is what you would do if you're cooking outside on a grill, is what I'm saying. So if you're using a grill, you cook the bacon, and then you cook the patty right on top of where you cook the bacon. It's just going to add more flavor all throughout. So while my burger patty is cooking, I'm going to make the sauce. And the sauce is mayo, mustard, ketchup, honey, and pickle juice, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Now, again, this is just a stepping stool for you guys. You can put whatever you want to put on this burger. It's more than enough going on inside of the burger. I didn't want to do an extravagant sauce and just drown what, we already worked so hard for. So I just made a simple dressing, and that's it. This is the cheese that I'll be using. I'm using white cheddar. Use your preferred cheese. No problem. And so now I'm going to fillet my burgers. Y'all, I also tasted the bacon fat in the burger because I cooked it on top. So that's another secret. Okay, don't get rid of that bacon fat. If you're cooking in a pan, cook your burgers in the bacon fat. Now I'm just going to add my cheese on top and allow it to melt. So to my toasted brioche bun, I added my sauce and then some lettuce. You can add tomatoes, pickles, whatever you want. Next, I'm going to add my burger patty and the bacon on top just like this. Next, I'm going to add some more Swiss, of course, just a little bit on the side, and then I'm just gonna top it, and that's the burger. Now you can have this with fries, whatever you choose to. I found these beautiful plantain chips in the Kroger supermarket, like the large ones, so I decided to use that instead of fries. And who want to be in the kitchen slaving all day? If you could cut some corners, honey, cut some corners. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun to make and so delicious. Tag me and let me know what you think if you make it, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.